Quality Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are essentially safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hubs, and the vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force. A trick by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each of the hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to the traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metering is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape. These rules allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS active cooling Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.